Hi everyone, welcome to today's session of tips and tricks from Summit for Max. Sure, it's going to be an interesting one. For much more, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. Learning Max doesn't have to be sitting down and adding numbers and repeating multiplications tables one after another, because there are so many fun with number tricks that you can play, which makes maths interesting and challenging. You don't even need a calculator when you are learning these fun number tricks, because you will be doing all of them in your head. Here, let us have a task. A farmer wants to reward the boy who helped him in his orchard to harvest apples. He gives him two options. The first one is 50 apples all at once, or one apple on the first day, two apples on the second day, and so on for 10 days. What do you think? Which one would be a better option for the boy to choose? Any guesses? Here, this can be written as sum of first n natural numbers, which can also be written as summation n, and the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to 10 will give you 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2, which is 10 into 11 by 2. 10 and 2 gets cancelled. You will get 5 into 11, which is equal to 55. So, did you get it? The second option is a better one. For the boy to get more apples from the farmer. Similarly, we can find sum of even natural numbers. 2 can be brought out and it can be written as 1 plus 2 etc. up to 10. We know that this is equal to 55. So 2 into 55, which is equal to 110. Isn't that easy? So 2 plus 4 plus etc. up to 2n can be written as summation 2n. 2 can be brought out and summation n is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled and the formula reduces to n into n plus 1. Here sum of first n odd natural numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 etc. up to 2n minus 1 is equal to n squared. So let us find the summation of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus etc. up to 15. Any guesses? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 numbers in this series. So n is equal to 8. So your answer is 8 squared, which is equal to 64. Similarly, sum of squares of n natural numbers is summation n squared, for which we have the formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Try to find out 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus etc. up to 10 squared. sum of cubes of n natural numbers is summation n cube, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Try to find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, etc. up to 10 cube, and post your answers. Leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this session. Meet you next week. Till then, bye from Summit for Max. Thank you.